Today, we are going to carry out the pre-installation of the JLB2000 container-type asphalt mixing plant. We'll start by installing the heavy oil tank, the asphalt tank, and the drying drum. Next, we will install the lower section of the dust collector, which integrates both the bag filter and the gravity dust removal system. Next, we install the cold aggregate elevator. Its compact design makes transportation and installation easier while saving valuable space on site. The ladder and the hot aggregate elevator are integrated as one unit. First, install and connect the lower and middle sections. Now we are installing the upper section of the dust collector, which is positioned next to the induced draft fan. The control room is installed above the storage and adjustment layer, providing an elevated position with a wide and clear view. This level is the weighing and mixing section, equipped with an electrical control cabinet for convenient commissioning and operation management. Next, we proceed with the installation of the hot aggregate silo and the head of hot aggregate elevator. This level houses the vibrating screen, which is connected to both the head of the hot aggregate elevator and the hot material silo. Finally, we install the filler silo. Let's take a look at the finished setup.